In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily view your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then open up Wi-Fi settings, and on that step all you have to do is just hit at that blue information icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to, or next to some other Wi-Fi networks that you have connected before, if they are showing here at my network section. So I'm just gonna hit at that eye icon, and that's where you can find the password. Now it's hidden, so you have to use your Face ID to be able to get access to the password. So you can just tap on it, then use Face ID, and that's it. Now you can see your password. Also you can copy it. Just hit at this copy pop-up to copy the password to your clipboard, and that's all about how you can easily find your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.